How to use mass download in webapi. On the initial page in the Zasek program, go into the program settings via the gear wheel. If you are an administrator or a company administrator, you will see a user tab where you can set up mass downloads in the webapi for individual users in your company. If your profile is set as a user, you need to ask your administrator or company administrator to set up mass downloads from webapi. If you are administrator or company administrator, you have all actions enabled. Use the gear wheel to return to the home screen. Open your webapi. Select the file from which you want to mass download safety datasheets. You can view the file by clicking the View button. Sign in the upper right corner. Select the operation from which you want to perform a mass download. You can select items individually or all at once by checking the checkbox in the name line. Select the mass download box at the top. Enter the recipient's and sender's email. You can write any message in the text field or use a message that is preset. Choose what you want to send from the drop-down box. You can choose safety datasheets, attachments, or safety datasheets and attachments at the same time. You can also check whether you want to send a copy of the email to the sender's address. Click the Submit button. You will see the shipping information. The recipient will receive an email within 5 minutes. In the email, you have a link to the safety datasheets. Click on it and a zip file with all safety datasheets will start to download. Open the file and extract the safety datasheets to your computer.